Okay, so ordered this off of Amazon. I seen it a couple days ago, and it had 1 day shipping. But this is a lens to just attaches with the clip, attaches to any cell phone. And it says it works with just about any cell phone. So ordered this Apexel phone photography kit. And I like this one because it has a flexible tripod for the phone. So you can wrap the legs around the bicycle or tree branch or just about anything and hold it in place. And it's flexible. I have another one that I use. Like I can, when I set my backpack on the ground, I can move the legs around and stand it up on my backpack. This comes with the wide angle lens, the fisheye lens, a macro lens for showing something up really close. So this was $19.98 on Amazon. And it comes with the different lenses here. This is from the manufacturer here. Just showing you what it does. Like showing the round up close is the fisheye, and a wide angle lens, a macro lens for showing something up really close to show the detail. It's got the flexible tripod, and it comes with the Bluetooth shutter. They have other ones on for all different prices here on Amazon. This one was $19.98. There was one a little cheaper, but it didn't have the tripod, wasn't flexible, so I really liked this one. And I think this is going to be a good tool for doing a lot of my videos. Alright. Okay, we're doing an unboxing. Or this is actually like opening another bag instead of unboxing. Alright, so we're going to open this up. So again, I got my everyday carry knife I keep in my pocket. This razor sharp, and change the blades out. So here, the box which shows everything it comes with. And it shows it clipped to the cell phone. So this is going to be a very useful tool. Alright, so we're going to open the box up. Alright, so we got some tips. And here's a card for warranty, or if you need help with the phone number to call them. So here's instructions. carrying case for it, little bag. So here's the tripod. I was going to open that with a knife, but I didn't need to. So I'll have to check this out. So you can mount this standing up like that, or you can mount it like that. It comes with the cleaning cloth, as it says to make sure you clean your lens on your phone. So we got a couple different clips here. Here's the shutter button. And then here's the lens. So it's got a cap on it. Now this is to put on here just to use it as a monocular for your eye. Just to hold it up to your eye. That's pretty cool. You can use it without putting it on the phone. And then we got the different lenses. So this is very cool here. I'm going to get this all set up and start trying it out.